Just a second. So this is it. By this way we can use the array. Okay, so this, move to the next part. Now next is move. Okay, this is simple, just you have to move this part, then you go for move, select the object, enter and specify the point, and from that point you can move. Now this is just a move, not a copy. Okay, so you can just move the part. Then there is rotate. Okay, now let us say I have this drawing, I want to rotate this. Select rotate, select object, enter, select the base point, this one or this one. I will select this, then I will say the angle of say 45 degree. So this is how it has been moved 45 degrees. Okay, then there is scale. Okay, now suppose I have this circle over here. I have to scale it. Select the object, enter, select the, you have to select the base point. This is very important. Now scale factor 1:1, 1:2. So I want to take it 1:2. So this is it. Enter. 1:2. त्याच्यापेक्षा डबल झालं. ओके, त्याचं तुम्ही कमी पण करू शकता. हाऊ? मॉडिफाय, स्केल, सिलेक्ट, एंटर, point, say 0.5. This is it, right? You have to just put the number over there. Next is stretch. Okay, what is stretch? I will let you know. This is the drawing, and we want to stretch this part only. Let us see what happens. Stretch, select the object, enter, base point. We can just select. We have to explode it first, then go for modify, stretch, select complete thing, enter, stretch this point, stretch, select the object, sorry, modify, stretch, select the object, enter. See, this is how you can just stretch the part away from this particular thing. Sorry for that. Okay, let us see what happens before explosion. Okay, modify, stretch, object, enter. So this is how simply you have to stretch the part from its original position. Simple things. Okay. Next is trim. Okay. Now this is important. Suppose I have this circle, I have this rectangle going through it. Then I want to remove this part. Okay, this line I have to remove. Modify. Go to trim. Select. Okay, now for trim, you have to select the lines which are intersecting. Okay, intersecting असतील तरच trim होतं. Otherwise, it does not happen. So, दोन intersecting lines मला select करायचे. ठीक आहे, then enter. Enter केल्यानंतर मला जो part trim करायचा त्याला मी select करतो. See, अशा प्रकारे तो trim होतो. Okay, so this is simple. तुम्ही एकदा हे करून बघितलं की तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Now let us see the chamfer part. Okay, मला इथं chamfer द्यायचं. Modify, go to chamfer, select first line. Now for chamfer, you have to use exploded view. Modify, chamfer, first line, second line. Modify, chamfer, first line. Then Just a second. First line, then modify chamfer. First type D is the distance. Chamfer distance is 5 mm. Say 1 mm, 2 mm. Enter. Just a second. There is an issue. What is it? Just a second. What is happening with this? Chamfer, it is asking for just trim mode. Let's take it polyline. Fine. Chamfer. Chamfer. Okay, there is an issue. We will see this later. Let's see about fillet. So for fillet, you have to give the radius R. Give the radius of 4 mm. Enter. Select first line, second line. And this is how you can give the fillet. Okay. Chamferचा थोडासा issue आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये ते नीट काहीतरी problem झालेला आहे. I will let you know in the next part. Okay. So this is how you can draw the fillet. Okay. So these are the things that we have discussed. Erase, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, scale, trim, chamfer and fillet. Chamfer is remaining, that I will let you know in the next part. Okay. Now next thing is dimension. Just a second. So I hope I am audible. I'm sorry for this camera part. There is an issue. So let us see about dimensions. So I want to give linear dimension. I will go to linear. I will select the first point, the second point, and give the dimension. याचे dimension style कसं change करायचं that I will let you know. Okay. So for that reason, just a second, dimension. Then I want to give the radius for this part. See radius like this. Okay, radius 4. Suppose I want to give diameter. Say I have the circle over here. I will go for diameter. Select the part like this. Enter. Then say I want to take angle. Say this is the line, and I want to give dimension with angular part. This one, this one. This is the angle. Okay, and okay, leader, tolerance, center. Okay, so this is it. These are the 4 or 5 things that you should know. And let's see. याचा size जे आहे ते खूप लहान आहे. Arrowचा size असेल, टेक्स्टचा size असेल. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go to dimension style, click on new, copy of standard, all dimensions, continue, lines. यामध्ये तुम्ही लाईनचा कलर चेंज करू शकता, लाईनचा टाइप चेंज करू शकता, लाईनची विड्थ चेंज करू शकता, बेसलाईन स्पेसिंग चेंज करू शकता. त्यानंतर एक्सटेन्शन लाईन जे असतात त्याचं इथं तुम्ही चेंज करू शकता. ओके, तर इथे थोडंसं तुम्ही लक्ष दिलात की येऊन जाईल. ॲरोचा प्रकार तुम्ही चेंज करू शकता, सेकंड ॲरोचा प्रकार चेंज करू शकता, लीडरचा प्रकार चेंज करू शकता. ॲरो साइज सेम मला 2 mm घ्यायचा आहे. ओके, देन आर्क लेंथ सिम्बॉल जे आहे ते खाली येईल, वर येईल, अशा प्रकारे आपण रेडियस जे आहे ते कसं देता येईल हे सगळं इथे घेऊ शकतो. टेक्स्ट जे आहे त्याचं तुम्ही कलर वगैरे चेंज करू शकता, फॉन्ट चेंज करू शकता, कलर चेंज करता येतं. ओके, हाईट चेंज करता येते. से हाईट 2 mm घेतली मी, परत त्याला व्हर्टिकल सेंटर, हॉरिझॉन्टल सेंटर, अलाइन्ड वगैरे आपण देऊ शकतो. फिट मध्ये जास्त प्रायमरी युनिट्स मध्ये आपलं काम आहे. फिट्स इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दिस. So first you can go with 0 precision. Okay, then say okay, then say set current, then close. Now it is just a second. You have to select this first 2, 3, 4 dimension style, set current. 1, 2, 3, 4 dimensions that we have given. Dimension style, new, copy of standard 2, continue, symbols 2, text 2, primary unit 0, intermediate unit tolerances. Okay, copy of standard 2, set current. Okay. It's not happening here. Just a second. If it is not happening, you can go over here directly and change the text size, arrow size, precision, that's it. Okay, similarly you can go over here, to dimension fit, primary units, say now you can double click on this and go to primary unit and precision, take it 0. Here also, so there is a need of arrow size to be changed to. Okay, primary units, you can change the primary units to 0. That's it. So this is how you can make the dimension. You can change the color also. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you should know about draw and modify command. And I think this is it. So we will stop here and you can practice these things, and if you have any issues you can ask me. Okay, so let me stop the screen.